students with us today have learned about the seasons, right? We learned about when you plant what and why, where food comes from, what it takes for food to grow, the process of how food gets from the garden to the plate, and how much more delicious fresh fruits and vegetables are when they come straight from the garden.
You know, Chef, a lot of people assume that because it's French food and crepes and it's so delicious that it wouldn't be healthy.
Unbelievable. Not even the mind reader knew what they were thinking. Of course, the White House Correspondents' Dinner is known as the prom of Washington, D.C., a term coined.
And it has kale and green apples and some ginger in it, and it's delicious.
Milwaukee brats are delicious. Today I'm taking an action fully within my legal authority. The same kind of action taken by Democrats and Republican presidents before me to spare the lives of two turkeys, mac and cheese, from a terrible and delicious fate. Apples are delicious there, by the way.